clear your lungs and stop coughing. This is a natural recipe to cleanse the lungs and stop coughing. Today we are going to prepare a syrup to clean the lungs and eliminate secretions from the bronchi. This recipe contains simple ingredients that you certainly have at home for when you have that irritating cough that won't leave you alone. And also, bronchitis. Rest assured, because there is a natural recipe to help you. First, we are going to peel a banana. Preferably use a ripe banana, okay? And then we're going to grind it on a plate. While after grinding the banana in a glass, we are going to add 200 milliliter of boiling water on top of the banana. That done, we stir it up a bit. Then we let it rest for about 15 minutes. After that time, we pass it through a sieve. Then we pass it through the strainer. We won't use this solid part of the banana, okay? We will only use the liquid part. Try to get as much liquid out of it. You are pushing it like this. Once that is done, it will be ready. And then we're going to pour it into a glass. And the drink, now it's ready. If you want it, you can take it yourself. But I will also show you another option that is honey. Honey. Better flavor, also has various benefits. I advise using natural honey, okay? Here, we are only going to use a tablespoon of honey, and we stir it until it's uniform and ready. Until next time, guys, follow for more.